Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put a Dodge Durango in neutral. Start by setting the parking brake and keeping your foot on the brake pedal. Locate the shift lever and inspect for a shift lock-release cover near the shifter or console. If the engine is off or battery is dead, use the override slot or insert a screwdriver to press the lock release and move the shifter into neutral carefully. When the Durango won't shift, use the shift lock override gently and deliberately. First, remove the plastic cover near the shifter to reveal a button or slot you can press. Hold the brake pedal down while pressing the override, then move the shifter into neutral. If you need a tool, use a screwdriver or key carefully to avoid damaging trim. Always keep the parking brake set to prevent rolling while you work. If the battery is dead, putting the Durango into neutral is still possible with patience. Make sure all lights and accessories are off to confirm a dead battery. Open the center console or remove the small cover near the shifter to reach the override button. Press and hold that override while firmly applying the brake pedal, then move the shifter into neutral slow and steady. Keep the parking brake engaged before releasing the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.